Hey guys, welcome back. So I was just starting a survival and I had all this film and then deleted footage because I ran out of time. I only have 15 minutes on this demo screen recorder. So I think I just died by this fella who's not coming in. Go away. So what was I doing before? Wow, rebuilding. I do not want monsters like these dudes coming into my house. So go away. Douche need more. Sorry. But yeah, you guys can't hurt me. Sucked in. Okay, so as I said, it just started. It's looking, probably hope for a better, place, to be honest. I don't know how I'm surviving at the moment. What these psychs? Yeah, come in, I dare ya. Yes, I thought. That's what I thought. Ah, no, don't hurt me. You're too dumb. Oh, give me that shell. I didn't really want to do that, but I did. What? What? I didn't even know we had that, and it's brand new. Let's go. I've already got a trident. I'm so lucky. Must be a good day of Minecraft. I need to get all my saplings and plant some trees. Saplings, grows my saplings. So yes, this episode I'm going to just harvest. See if I can find a pet, maybe. Bit early for that. See where the game will take us. The gods of the game. That's gonna disappear soon, and that will drop me sapling. I need to get grass seeds. Thank you. How? Wow, that's still dropping. Is there any more? Oh, there's more. I'll probably just use that so I don't waste my axe. It's not doing any different. Is that old one? Oh, damn it. Need this for the seeds for my farm. Hopefully, last survival I was practicing on to know what to do. The village was far away. It was like really far away, and I pretty much couldn't do anything. This still isn't growing, but that's alright. It takes time like that. Okay. I know that I'm gonna have to be on the roof a lot, so probably just got this, just for safety, in case I need to block. And then I want to put something cool up the top. No, just stuff it. I don't know, the house is looking a bit strange, but should be right. Probably need a roof soon, but I don't know. I'm mainly wanting this glass, but I have nothing in my furnace to cook it with yet. So probably today will be mining. All about mining to get some stuff. No way, dude. Because I have no torches. I am having my trident with me at all costs. Take that. And today I will just mine because I'm needing some stuff. I don't know how else I can find torches. I probably have to wander around. That's what I'm going to do now, and try and find a cave. You really want to test my trident? Hey, come back. Trident. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I can't waste my trident on stupid stuff. Hello. Good morning. I need to find the coal. Please, some coal. It's not coal. I'll get just granite. This take too long. No, it won't. Just so I can block you up, and then I can go down. Coal. Found coal. I found coal. For my torches. Go down. And need as much coal as possible. Usually I can't be bothered mining coal because there's so much. Excuse me? Where are you coming from? Did I give you permission? Cobblestone. Cobblestone. I need that cobblestone. As we go further into the mine. What the hell is that? I don't know, I can't see. Head towards lava. Is that lava? It's lava. I'm only level 49. There's lava. Alright, I'm back. 797, so that's the first number, so where's... Alright, it's going down. Must be pretty far away. Is this it? Yeah, this is where I was. Because I found the coal there somewhere. And I went down here. With that. Lava. Yeah, I remember all this. And then my stuff is here. Oh, what is it? Oh, my coal. No, not again. You're joking. Oh my gosh. I need this. I need this. I just want to jump off the bridge. I just want to swim in lava. How can I get in? Do I just have to close it off? Where am I going? That's not this. It's not this one. I just want to jump. Oh, probably take it slowly so I won't. Ah! Creeper! Creeper! How did... Ah! I think I killed it. Let's see. Oh, wrong place. Ah. Is this all that's left? That? What am I missing? Oh, my wood. Alright, I'm just gonna get out of here. Creeper. Play nicely. Play nicely, Creeper. Need to go up elevator. How do I go up? Do I just hold? Yeah, there we go. That one. That one. Okay. So I did see some more coal. Let's follow. There's this little. This is how I remember it. Up here. Yeah. Oh, which means I lost all my torches as well, because that's I needed the stick. I need all of this. What is that? Is that more? No, I can't even see. I need to turn my brightness up actually. Boof boof. That's better. Is that a coal? Wow, coal's still going. Can't even see, dude. I've got like nearly 25. Yeah, I've got 25. I'm going to keep walking. And then is there any more coal for me? No. I need you. I need one more, or a few more. Okay, I need an even number. 6, you know what? 7, so I need these 8, 9, 10. No, I didn't get one. Okay, now I find home. Must find home. I think I need to. It's this way, but I need to. Oh my god! Oh, that scared the living jeebies out of me. Where's my house? Good gosh. Oh no, that could have been catastrophic. With the wrath of my shovel. Ah, you cannot hold down the touchpad. This guy's like never gonna die. My shovel's gonna break before he does. Oh my god. Oh my god, that took down so fast. Can I eat this? Will this poison me? Yep. Hunger. Sapling? Sapling. More saplings the better. More saplings the more trees. Whoosh. Grow my young. Oh, damn it. Wait, can I just. Excuse me. Oh, what's that? Who's that? Oh no, I thought it was one of them wanderers. This really is not good. I think there's a bit too many trees. Oh crap. Yeah, so if I ever need to run out, I can just jump into the trees. Which there will eventually be so many of. I've got apples, yes. They probably do no health. Too. No, that's not even that bad. See? Healthy. Healthy. Pink dye. Oh, that reminds me. I was gonna say. See? No cheats. Can't use them. That's as far as I can do. Because I can't go on that. Probably just break it, but like. Meh. I'll just go with this one. Oh, I've just got enough. That is like the best. So, put my coal. Yes, I've still got it, boys. I'll cook all my food first. And then I'm going to cook my sand. I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 by 5. I need 30 sand. Which means I need a shovel. Since my old shovel broke. And I have no. Oh yeah, I need wood. That's where the trees. But I have no axe. That's where the trees come in handy. I've still got an axe, but it's not my good one because it died in lava. Most of them already gone. Oh, I can use this, I think. But it doesn't affect it. It will still make sticks. I think. Yeah, that can still make sticks. Oh, that was a creeper. That would not have been good. So sticks, boof. So what do I need? I need, obviously, a new shovel, and I need an axe. Send me a sword because I can. Put that away, put that away. Okay, so I've got all my, probably just sorted out. Axe. Yes. Yes. Wait, what? Why'd that just get black? That scared me. I'm like, don't happen again. Need 3. Away. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 12, 13, 14, 15, 20. Whoa, where did you come from? Get away. Get away. Yeah, I feel the wrath of my sword. How many did I say? Like 30? Yeah. Just in case I break one, because you can't get them back. Yeah. 34, that's good. And then I got more to plant that. More room. I need that. I've got to focus on my sand roof. I probably need to do one more higher. Yeah, I probably do. One higher. And then just so because then I don't have enough. Oh no, I can do